The Indian Defence Ministry has acknowledged that Chinese troops intruded into Indian territory in the month of May. A new document released by the Defence Ministry provides a complete assessment of the ground situation in eastern Ladakh. Chinese belligerence along the line of actual control has been increasing since the 5th of May, especially near the Galwan Valley. According to the government, PLA troops crossed over into Indian territory at 3 places in Kugrang Nala, Gogra and the northern bank of Pangong So Lake. This transgression reportedly happened on the 17th of May. The MOD is blaming unilateral Chinese aggression for the deteriorating situation along the LAC. It has once again reiterated the claim of Chinese casualties during the Galwan face-off. The Defence Ministry is closely reviewing the ongoing military-level talks between the two sides, but it has warned the current standoff is likely to be a prolonged one. Let's get in a sense of perspective on this news story, and for that I'm joined in by our correspondent Siddhant Sibal, who's joining me live from New Delhi this hour. Siddhant, that the current scenario has been termed as an evolving situation clearly suggests that tensions at the LAC are not over. Do elaborate on the significance of the document shared by the Defence Ministry today.
Well, Akanksha, the document publicly acknowledges what was known to everyone, but the fact that the government wasn't giving detailed accounts. Now this document, which now has been removed, in fact, from the website of India's Defence Ministry, talks about the transgression. The use of word transgression is significant when it comes to the transgression which happened by the Chinese in the month of May, and talks about detailed account how the transgression started in the month of May, and right now it is an evolving situation. That means talks are happening, but significant movement hasn't been seen. We know that disengagement has happened when it comes to Gogra and Hot Springs, but Pangong remains an issue for the Indian side. The Indian side has categorically told the Chinese side that they must vacate the Pangong. So when it comes to the current standoff which is happening at the LAC, but one thing I can tell you, in last 24 hours, significant development not only has happened from India's Defence Ministry, but from India's Ministry of External Affairs, who has slammed China not once but twice, because remember, on 5th of August, that's yesterday, India celebrated 1 year since the removal of the special status for the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcating into 2 union territories. And we know that the Chinese Foreign Ministry reacted in Beijing in response to a question. Also at the United Nations Security Council tried to raise it. Of course, we know that this is for the 3rd time the Chinese, at the behest of Pakistanis, have raised it. Though it is informal, there is no outcome, but India reacted sharply and said that high time that China stops interfering in India's internal matter. So it looks like India and China relationship is not only in the worst in many decades, but shows that the evolving situation is continuing for a pretty long time now.
Absolutely. Clearly, there are problem areas that have emerged as the hardest part of this disengagement process. For now, let's leave it at that. Thank you so much, Siddhant Sibal, for bringing us the latest.